Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Tanara, a classical guitar. This instrument comes from Tanara guitars and presents itself in a rather striking yellow color. It's built with sapele wood for the top, back, and neck, which is a common material in guitar construction, often providing a warm tone. However, the body material is listed as plastic and metal, which is quite unconventional for a classical guitar. Typically, classical guitars rely on resonant woods for the body to produce their characteristic sound. This combination of materials is certainly intriguing and likely impacts the instrument's acoustic properties and durability in unique ways. The strings are nylon, as expected for a classical guitar, which contributes to that soft, mellow sound and is easier on the fingers, making it suitable for those just starting out. The sapele neck should offer a comfortable feel for fretting. The overall construction, with a mix of traditional wood and modern materials like plastic and metal in the body, suggests this might be designed with robustness or perhaps a different tonal profile in mind compared to a purely wooden classical guitar. The yellow finish gives it a distinct visual appeal that stands out. Considering the materials, particularly the body composition, it's likely positioned as an entry-level or highly durable option. The sapele wood components suggest a certain level of quality for the price point it likely occupies. For someone looking for a classical guitar that might be more resistant to environmental changes or physical knocks than an all-wood instrument, this combination could be appealing. The nylon strings are standard for classical playing and are ideal for learning fingerstyle techniques. The feel of the sapele neck is generally smooth and comfortable for navigating the fretboard. The bright yellow color is definitely a statement piece. It's important to consider how the plastic and metal body affects the resonance and projection compared to traditional wood bodies. This unique construction might offer a different playing experience. Overall, the Tanara, a classical guitar, is an interesting instrument with its blend of traditional sapele wood and unconventional body materials, presented in a vibrant yellow finish, making it a potentially durable and visually distinctive option for players, perhaps especially beginners or those needing something robust.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.